Chapter 4. Kinds of houses. Get set. Making of a house is not an easy thing. Many people are involved in it. Match these people with their names by writing correct numbers in the circles. Engineer, mason, carpenter, architect, plumber, electrician, painter. Like food, air and water, shelter is also a basic need of all living beings. Human beings live in houses. A house protects us from cold, heat, wind, rain, wild animals and thieves. We live in a house with our family. The house we live in is our home. Different houses. Broadly, we may divide houses in two categories, on the basis of their building material and on the basis of their location. Houses as per material. On the basis of the building material, there are two types of houses, Kucha and Pakka houses. Kucha houses are mostly found in villages. They are made up of thatch, mud, dry leaves, bamboo, straw and wood. They are not very strong. Pakka houses are found in towns and cities. They are made up of bricks, stones, cement, iron, sand and concrete. These houses are stronger than Kucha houses. Depending upon how they are built, Pakka houses can be single-storied or multi-storied. Bungalows are single-storied houses. They are large houses. A multi-storied building consists of a number of apartments. Such houses help to save space as they are built over one another. Did you know? We find very tall tower-like buildings in big cities. These are called skyscrapers. Houses as per location. There are some special houses that are found in a particular region. Many other factors like climate of the place, availability of building material, etc. are also taken into consideration while building these houses. Look at this house. It is a stilt house. It is built high up on poles called stilts. These stilts keep the house safe from high rising water, snakes and other animals. To enter these houses, a ladder is required. These houses are mostly made of wood. Such houses are built near forest areas. The stilts also protect the house from flood water. These houses have sloping roofs so that rainwater can easily flow down the roof. A tent is made from thick cloth called canvas. It is used by soldiers, scouts, guides and people who are camping. It is like a temporary house erected in mountains, forests and deserts. It can be pitched and folded easily. An igloo is a house made of snow. It is built from big blocks of ice by Inuits, Eskimos. These houses are found in the Arctic regions where it snows all year round. A caravan is a house on wheels. It can be taken from one place to another. It is mobile house. A houseboat is a floating house. It is a boat with a number of rooms built in it. In India, such boats are found in Dal Lake at Srinagar in Kashmir and in the backwaters of Kerala. Did you know? Houses that keep changing location are called temporary houses and the houses that cannot be moved are called permanent houses. A good house. The house must have a proper drainage system to carry out the dirty water. The house should be free of insects like flies and mosquitoes. Wire netting on the doors keep them out. Balconies and verandas are the open spaces in the house which help us come in direct contact with sunlight and fresh air. When we breathe in the house, the air becomes dirty. Clean and fresh air should enter the house from windows and ventilators. Plenty of sunlight should enter into the house. It kills the germs. A good house should be clean and airy. Cleaning the house. We should keep our house neat and clean. A clean house keeps us healthy and happy. Cobwebs should be cleaned regularly. Clean the house by sweeping and mopping every day. All the things should be in their proper place and furniture should be dusted every day. Toilets and bathrooms should be cleaned daily and kept dry. There should be covered dustbin in the house for the garbage. It should be emptied regularly. Decorating the house. During festivals and other special occasions like weddings and other functions, houses are cleaned and painted. Houses are decorated with colorful diyas, earthen lamps, and candles on Diwali. Some people make colorful patterns made of colored powder, sawdust, or flowers. They are called rangoli. Some people decorate the walls of their houses with clay, mud, and mirrors. Wall paintings are also popular in many places. Some people hang wind chimes on doors and windows with the belief that they bring good luck. Pests in our homes. Some animals like ants, mosquitoes, rats, flies, and lizards live in our house without our consent. They find their own food and live around the house. They can be kept away if we keep our homes and surroundings clean. Did you know? The other names of Rangoli are Alpna in East India and Kolam in South India. Summary. A house protects us from heat, rain, cold, and wild animals. Pakka houses and Kucha houses are built with different materials. Houses like houseboat, igloo, stilt house, caravan, tent are built as per their location. We must keep our houses neat and clean. We decorate our homes on festive occasion. Pests live in our homes without our consent. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. A house protects us from A. Heat, B. Rain, C. Both of these. 2. Houseboats float on A. Oil, B. Air, C. Water. 3. Pakka houses are A. Weak, B. Strong, C. Shaky. 4. A cockroach is A. Pet, B. Pest, C. Rost. 5. A caravan is a house on A. Wood, B. Shoes, C. Wheels. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. We live in a house with our 2. We, our homes on festive occasion. 3. People who live in igloos are called 4. Pests are not pets yet they live in our 5. Should be thrown regularly to keep the house clean. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong one. 1. There are lots of flies and mosquitoes in a clean house. 2. Igloos are made of ice. 3. Our house protects us from domestic animals. 4. Flats are built in multi-storied buildings. 5. Pests live in our homes without our consent. D. Answer the following questions. 1. Why do we need a house? 2. What are Kucha houses made of? Give an example of a Kucha house. 3. List 3 ways to keep a house clean. 4. What is a houseboat? 5. Why do people make rangoli? Activity. 1. Make a poster on the do's and don'ts of keeping your house clean. Display your posters in the class. 2. Read the clues. Unscramble the letters to get the answers to the riddles. 1. I can be folded and moved from one place to another. 2. I am seen in areas where floods occur. 3. I can be seen in cities. 4. I am made up of ice sheets. 5. I have wheels to move. Life skill. Answer yes or no. 1. Do you have Vyamish doors and windows in your house? 2. Do you throw garbage on the roads? 3. Do you have a first aid box in your house?